Hi, I am KRP Reddy, Director, Advertising and Marketing, Sakshi Telugu Daily. Let us talk about this Panduga Sambaralu. Panduga Sambaralu is a very unique initiative launched by Sakshi Telugu Daily very recently. The purpose of launching this initiative is basically to make the shopping for this festival Dasara more exciting, more enjoyable, more beneficial to all the readers of Sakshi particularly. This is the second year that we are doing Panduga Sambaralu. Last year also we have done before the festival, Dasara festival. This year again we have chosen the same period. Normally we all know that before the festival there is a lull season for shopping. The shopping will not happen to that extent as it happens just before the festival season. In order to improve the sales of or improve the shopping, we have designed this scheme to run from 14th of September to 30th of September for a period of 17 days. Now how this will work? We have a chosen list of retail shops across Hyderabad. List of shops who are participating in this scheme, Panduga Sambaralu, is every day published in Sakshi Telugu Daily. Every day it will be published in this page. So the readers will know where this scheme is applicable. So they will go there, then they do the shopping. Now the beauty of this entire thing is every day 1 lakh rupees cash award. That is very unique. We would have seen lot of schemes, offers which they give some articles or some gifts like that as prizes, or they give some percentage of discount and all that. But this is basically 1 lakh rupees everyday cash prize for the 17 days. Now that is very exciting for every person who shops in these selected outlets across Hyderabad. Now to be very transparent, we pick up the draws at the respective participants. Like we are very thankful to Women's World and PCH, who are the main sponsors for this Panduga Sambaralu. We pick up out of the 17 draws about 3 or 4 draws in each of these main sponsors. Then there are associate sponsors like Newgen, Varun, Lakshmi Hyundai, Mahindra, like these other participants are there. We pick up 1 or 2 draws at their respective showroom. Now what happens? Today's prize winner will be tomorrow's draw picker for that 1 lakh prize. So that is very transparent. And we invite a lot of VIPs, prominent persons of Hyderabad city to come and participate in that draw. It is totally transparent and genuine. And this has, last year also it has got very good result. This year the result is much better, because last year those who have missed out on that, they are coming this year to participate in this thing. One of the biggest advantage for the participants in this Panduga Sambaralu is that we take up almost 360 degrees publicity. We are using radio very extensively. We use lot of outdoor. Print is also very aggressive. Every day we give almost 1 full page towards the publicity and all that. And every day we give the new specialty. In some stores, what is the specialty? New offerings, new discounts, new stocks available, and all that. Also we keep writing editorials and all that, by which all the participants are benefiting much. Very recently, 2-3 days back, some of the retailers who have been participating in this said that because of Panduga Sambaralu, their sale has gone up by at least 17 to 19%. Up to 20% also some people have experienced increase in the sale.